Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Connection Code to GitHub transforms your AI assistant from a local coding companion into a full-fledged teammate that can review pull requests, fix issues, and even implement entire features all through GitHub commands. According to the official documentation, you can simply mention Claude in a PR or issue, and Claude can analyze code, create PRs, implement features, and fix bugs, all while adhering to your project's definite standards. It's built on the Claude Code SDK, which allows for programmatic integration. And as guide, I will show you how to set up the GitHub integration and start using Claude in your basically uh, I would say in your domain, in your GitHub, in your account, whatsoever. So first things first, you have to install the GitHub app. The easiest way to code to GitHub is using the install GitHub app command. Open Claude Code in your terminal and run the slash install GitHub app. It's usually written like this. We have a small dash install. Then we have GitHub app. So basically run this command line on your Claude, and that's it. Then you can add your API key. You will need to add an authentication token to your basically secrets or repository secrets. You have two options. If you are using the direct Anthropic API, easily type Anthropic API key, or you can also use the Claude Code auth token if you are using Claude Code auth token. Then install the workflow files. The install GitHub app command will automatically create any necessary workflow files in your GitHub workflows directory. If you are setting up manually, you can copy the example workflow file from the Claude Code action. About the default workflows, it includes Claude Assistant, automated code review. Then you have to understand the default workflows. Claude Assistant workflow triggered when you mention Claude in an issue a pull request command. If you want to mention Claude, you can easily type basically this Claude, and that's it. Just give it a small mention. Then also you have to configure your workflow permissions for the content read. The purpose is read the content. You also have the pull request read PR information, issues, read issue information or ID token write required for Claude authentication. You also have the web version of Claude Code if you don't want to set up workflows locally. Claude Code is also available on the web. You can also use it if you want to. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next.